is the future of learning. Interactivity.
You are the photographer on a photo session.
Adjusting camera settings and composing the picture.
Imagine you are virtually there, but learning online.
From the comfort of your home or on the go.
Play with lights. Move.
Adjust. Brighten the light, darken it. And observe the changes.
Direct your model. Ask to change poses. And make corrections. We are building an interactive platform to learn photography by exploring the worlds of light, composition, and posing. Try our free lessons at photoscope.com. Learn how to make beautiful photographs and do it interactively. This is the future of learning.